Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will walk you through how to create an Airbnb account, perfect if you're planning your next trip or listing your own place. Start by opening your browser, navigate to your search engine and heading over to www.airbnb.com. Tap on the login button at the bottom right corner of your screen. So here, you can sign up using your Google account, Apple ID, phone number or email address. Choose the one that works best for you. Let's go with email for this tutorial. Enter your email address and once done, tap continue. Now enter your full name, your last name, your date of birth, and create a strong password. Once done, tap agree and continue. As you can see, a verification code has been sent to my mailbox. Let me check that. Now here tap agree and continue. Okay, let's skip this part. And that's it. You have successfully created your Airbnb account. Now you're ready to book your first stay or become a host. And yes, that's it. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.